The Hawaiian monk seal, or Monachus shawislandi, is a diverse and fascinating species endemic to the waters of Hawaii. This beautiful species is in an endangered state, meaning it is at risk of extinction without human intervention. Now, a group of students from Mission San Jose High School will be presenting a documentary about the Hawaiian monk seal. The genus of the Hawaiian monk seal, Monachus, comprises two other species of seals, namely Monachus monachus, the Mediterranean monk seal, and Monachus tropicalis, the West Indian monk seal. Additionally, the Hawaiian monk seal's family, Phocidae, contains a species of elephant seal, known as Moronga angostriostris, or the northern elephant seal.
The Hawaiian monk seal lives in warm tropical waters found in the Hawaiian archipelago. Majority of the seals live in the northwestern Hawaiian Islands, with an approximate of only 1,200 individuals and approximately 400 that live in the main Hawaiian Islands. The annual precipitation is 5.34 inches per year. The climate does not vary significantly, as the coldest month is in January with an average of 73 degrees, and the hottest is in August with an average of 82. Their foraging habitat includes the waters surrounding atolls and islands, areas further offshore and submerged banks, and deep water coral beds. Biotic factors can include prey, predators, diseases such as toxoplasmosis, and competitors for resources and food. Abiotic factors can include human debris, the water and beaches they live in, the range of temperature, quantity of light and water, and the soil composition.
Hawaiian monk seals are homeothermic and endothermic, meaning they maintain a stable body temperature no matter the external environment. They do this by generating heat inside of their bodies. Seals lay on their back, exposing their light-colored belly to the air to avoid absorbing too much heat. When on land, they stay inactive and hold their breath for long periods, reducing their heart rate and conserving energy. This allows them to avoid heat production in hot temperatures. By remaining still, seals can maintain a low metabolic rate and regulate their body temperatures to survive in hot environments.
Hawaiian monk seals are carnivores. Their prey includes fish, crustaceans like crab and lobsters, cephalopods like squid and octopi, and fish. These seals forage mostly by bottom foraging, which involves looking for prey on the ocean's bottom. To hunt for prey above the seafloor, they can also engage in mid-water foraging, which involves swimming through the water column. They use a method known as crush and shake, where they grab their prey with their jaws and then shake it to shatter it into smaller pieces that are easier to swallow. They use their flippers to herd schools of fish into clusters to eat many prey items at once. They are a secondary consumer, and their biggest predators are various types of sharks.
An essential structural adaptation is streamlined bodies, which helps it catch prey and avoid predators. Suction feeding is a behavioral adaptation that enables the monk seals to catch prey hiding in otherwise unreachable areas. Finally, the annual molting routine is a physiological adaptation of the monk seals in order to prevent algal growth on their skin. Additionally, molting helps remove debris and dirt collected over the year.
Monk seals mate at sea through internal fertilization, and females go to shore to give birth. Female monk seals give birth to one pup a year, and the majority of these births take place between March and June. The gestation period is about 10 to 11 months. The mothers provide all the parental care and nurses their pups with milk for 6 weeks. During these 6 weeks, the mother does not eat anything as she doesn't leave her pup's side, causing her to lose hundreds of pounds. She survives with the fat stored in her body, and once the mother stops nursing, she leaves the pup. To mate, male Hawaiian monk seals are known to mount females by biting their backs and holding onto them with their foreflippers. Females have also developed an adaptation called delayed implantation. After the egg is fertilized, females can temporarily pause the development of the egg so that she can time the birth of her pup to occur during optimal conditions. It is said that Hawaiian monk seals may practice polygyny because of observations of male aggression and multiple females in areas with dominant males. Male aggression is called mobbing, and they end up severely injuring and even killing females.
The Hawaiian monk seal is a secondary consumer. It helps its environment in many different ways. For example, the Hawaiian monk seal's diet consists of sea urchins. Sea urchins eat coral and damage the structure of coral reefs. Coral reefs are very important to a seal's ecosystem because they provide food, shelter, and protection for many species that the seal eats. The seal also has many other species in their diet. They help regulate the amount of primary consumers in the ocean. This helps prevent the overgrazing of the ocean's resources, specifically the producers of the environment. One of the main reasons for the seal's endangered status is habitat loss caused by human activities, such as coastal development and erosion. The monk seal's breeding and resting grounds are often found on beaches, which are degraded or ruined due to coastal development. These habitats provide food and shelter for many of the seals. Coastal erosion due to normal and human-caused factors such as sea level rise and storms also make it difficult for seals to find appropriate resting and breeding grounds, leading to further habitat loss. Pollution is another major threat which has introduced various diseases. Overexploitation of fish stocks is a significant threat to the Hawaiian monk seal. It has become difficult for seals to find food, and now they have to compete with people for fish. This competition for food causes malnutrition and decreased reproductive success.
Government organizations, as well as volunteers, have been making an impact, albeit not enough. Many of these organizations have been removing aquatic debris and other hazards for the monk seals. Although these efforts are making a major difference, Hawaiian monk seals are a long way from returning to a stable population. Furthermore, efforts to protect the monk seals are mostly in situ.
Since the seals are endemic, it makes it challenging for them to adapt to environmental changes. Their limited geographical range makes them vulnerable to regional disasters, and their isolation from other populations reduces genetic diversity, increasing the risks of disease and other threats. Female monk seals give birth to one pup per year, leading to slow population growth and vulnerability to decline. Even a single event like an oil spill or disease outbreak can take decades for the population to recover. The low reproduction rate hampers their ability to adapt to environmental changes, including ocean warming and rising sea levels. In the main islands, the population has gradually increased from critically low numbers to 400 seals in the last 2 decades. The decline in the northwestern Hawaiian Islands is due to insufficient prey availability. Pollution from marine debris and fishing gear has also impacted their habitat, but efforts to remove debris have made a difference. Increased awareness has led to rehabilitation services provided by various organizations.
Sharks are the primary predators of the Hawaiian monk seals. In the event that the seals become extinct, the sharks would lose a key source of food. As a result, there wouldn't be enough food for shark populations to survive, and many sharks would perish. Some shark species may potentially become extinct as a result of this. The Hawaiian monk seal also consumes a wide range of prey. If seals become extinct, populations of the creatures they consumed would grow out of control, further altering the ecosystems. Without predators to control their populations, their prey would proliferate. This heavily altered biosphere would differ greatly from the one with Hawaiian monk seals. We would like to thank the MSJ students for creating this documentary. We have brought them on the show to get their opinion on the Hawaiian monk seal situation.
In our opinion, the efforts being made to raise awareness and provide rehabilitation services for the Hawaiian monk seal will lead to a gradual increase in their population over the coming decades. Given their steady reproduction rate, it will take time to witness population recovery. However, with organizations actively working towards rehabilitating the seals and administering vaccines to prevent fatal diseases, there is strong potential for a rapid improvement for the survival of the Hawaiian monk seals.
Thank you.